morning. Today we are going to learn 10th class CBSE history first lesson nationalism in Europe. And from this video, if you watch clearly, I am going to give some bits along with this video, and these bits will help you a lot for your further examination. Okay, let us come to know about the lesson nationalism in Europe. In this lesson, we are going to learn about, importantly, about French Revolution. In the French Revolution, we are going to learn French Revolt was an important revolt in the world and which occurred in 1789, and French Revolution was based on four important ideals. One was liberty, fraternity, equality, and justice. Actually, French experienced three revolts around. If we see the total revolts of France, it was in 1789 the first revolt, and in 1830 this was called as July Revolution, whereas 1848 which was called as February Revolution. And in the first revolution 1789, it was to be announced as the first call of formation of nationalism in the minds of all the people. It was the first revolution of formation of nationalism in the mind of all the France people. It means it was the first revolution which injected the spirit of nationalism in the mind of all the people. So, from this French Revolution, we are learning liberty, equality, fraternity, justice, all these four ideals. Along with, we are learning the concept of nationalism. And I think already I told you in the previous videos the concept of nationalism. It means a feeling of my country, my people is called nationalism. A feeling of my country, my people is called nationalism. So, French Revolution explains and it injected the feeling of nationalism in the mind of all the people. So, a feeling of my country, and my people is called nationalism. So from the French Revolution, we have been observing national spirit and nationalism in the mind of all the people in all over the world, not only in France. But the beginning concept was observed in France. And we have to see the first revolution was occurred in 1789, and every year July 14th was to be the important day in French Revolution, and which paved a way for the French Revolt in 1789. And on this date, the prisoners broke open the jail at Bastille Fort. The prisoners of France broke open the jail at Bastille Fort, and it was the symbol of beginning of the France revolt. Now we are going to see what were the reasons behind French revolt. And we told you French revolt occurred in 1789. And before the revolt, I am going to back 175 years. So, 175 years back of the French Revolt, we are going to observe what was the nature of French society. And France society was to be called as estates. And estates It means French society was called as estates, and it comprised three estates are there actually, which we known as first estate and second estate, whereas the third estate. Clergy, the kings and the rich persons belonged to the first estate, whereas the nobles, landlords, and all the important rich persons, church fathers belonged to second estate. Whereas the common people including the laborers, workers, employers, teachers, doctors, lawyers, agricultural workers, industrial workers, professional workers, artisans, peasants, all these are collectively belong to the third estate. And all these are come under third estate. It means kings and the clergy, these rich group belong to first estate, whereas church fathers, nobles belong to second estate, and all the common people including workers, professional group workers, agricultural workers, industrial laborers belonged to third estate. And there was a proverb in France. Out of 10 members in France, 9 are died due to starvation and 1 was died due to indigestion. Out of 10 members in France, 9 were died by the starvation and the remaining 1 was died by the indigestion. This was the slogan. If we understand the slogan, the first estate, second estate collectively not more than 10%. The remaining 90% people belong to third estate. It means the common people are very more. They are 90%. But 90% people are being cruelly ruled by these two groups, first and second estates. Okay, ma? In this way, French society was observed, and in the remaining part we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you.